What's up, guys? So I hope you guys have had an amazing new year. I'm back at it again after basically a short hiatus. Had to take some time off, just a lot of complicated things going on. So now we're back in it, guys, and to start it off with the new year, I'm going to be publishing fewer videos, but I'm going to be giving you guys, instead of publishing a lot of videos, I'm going to be giving you guys more in-depth, longer content that you can really make money with, really trade with, or if you guys are looking for more long-term investments like that, hopefully they'll be beneficial. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's get right to the start of the video. Before I start this video, guys, I want to remind you guys, crypto is about to boom this year, okay? We just came out with a lot of inflation numbers talking about massive inflation, the highest inflation in the last 42 years. Guys, if you guys are interested in getting involved in crypto, please check out Coinbase, guys. The safest, easiest way. Easily buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Any of these cryptocurrencies very simply, guys. So please check the link in the description below if you guys are interested in getting signed up. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about a company called BTCS, guys. This stock has absolutely gone bonkers, okay? I really apologize, you guys, for not publishing exactly when I started trading this stock. I've traded this stock twice. I entered a very short-term position when it was around $3.75, and then it spiked higher, and I quickly took some profits. And then I entered a long position because they announced some really amazing news about offering a dividend, which is a Bitcoin dividend, guys. So we're going to talk all about this stock. One of the reasons why I'm trying to rush this video in, I should have got this video in yesterday when I was exactly trading it. But guys, I'm going to definitely make up for this year. That won't happen again. I'll make sure I get these videos in literally after I traded. So right now, if we take a look at this stock, we can see that it's a pretty big pre-market, okay? It was up 19% yesterday. Now it's up 26% in the pre-market. I still think this stock has a long way to run for several reasons. So we're going to talk all about it in this video. So first of all, what is BTCS? Well, as you can see here, guys, we're on Yahoo Finance. It's a very small company based out of Silver Spring, Maryland, guys, in the United States. And they basically focus on blockchain technology. So this company is basically two buddies that have started a crypto company where they're staking lots of crypto coins like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and things like that, earning yield. And they also have a ton of Bitcoin. So this is a really fascinating company with a super low market cap. You can't even call this stock a small cap. It's a micro cap stock. Okay, we're currently looking at a $68 million market cap. Now, obviously, that's up quite a bit in the pre-market, so probably more like realistically, we add 25% to this number. We're looking at like a $80 million market cap, something like that. So let's quickly go over this company, guys. So they have their own website, okay, and they talk more about basically what they're getting involved in. So basically, they have two main projects, okay. We're going to go through the corporate presentation to quickly explain what's going on here. So first of all, if we take a look at this company, okay, so let's quickly go over their presentation, guys. So basically, this is a blockchain company focused on cryptocurrencies. They're the first U.S. public company to focus on blockchain infrastructure. They recently made a move to the NASDAQ a few months ago, and that's probably one of the reasons why this stock's getting so much attention. So as you can see here, they have one main product, okay? So their main product is they have an analytics platform. So we're going to open that really quickly. I'll show you guys what it is. Now, this is basically in the beta launch phase. Analytics basically allows people to basically track their cryptocurrency portfolio. So if you guys are holding any crypto assets or anything like that, you'll be able to track your performance, your buys and sells on there. But the platform's really bare bones. They really haven't fleshed it out yet. So there's obviously some competitors out there like CoinTracker, which are far better. And by the way, that's the one I use to track my crypto portfolio. You guys can check for the links in the description below if you're interested in tracking your portfolio. But basically, this company has quite a few things cooking. And I like the fact that they're young, two young co-founders, and that they're involved with this company. So if we take a look at these co-founders, I'll just show you guys real quickly. Who's behind this company. Okay, so let's pull up the management team quickly. So this is Charles Allen and Michael Handerhan. So these two guys founded the company, two young guys in the crypto space. An interesting thing about crypto is that usually the majority of the people are either millennials. So like I said, it's nice to see two younger guys involved in the industry, lots of time to grow. And crypto is still a massively fast-growing space, okay? It's growing at the same pace as the internet in the 1990s, so lots of growth here. And that's what we're looking for, I think, in 2022. I think last year people were more interested in meme stocks and stuff like that. And now I think you're going to see a lot of those meme stocks cool off, and you're going to see people really investing in growth companies that are really going to grow their revenues, grow their cash flows, and things like that. I don't think we're going to have nearly as much meme stock hype in 2022. So this is one of the reasons I was so attracted to BTCS. So if we take a look at if we keep talking about this company, we can see that they basically have a crypto portfolio. Okay, so that's basically the main value behind this company. They have a nice crypto portfolio. So this portfolio was valued at around 37 million. Now that's gone up recently because Bitcoin has bounced off of support. So I believe Bitcoin's trading at like around 43,000 as of recording this video. So this total value is up. So I would probably give Bitcoin probably at least like an 8% to 10% bump. And they have a lot of coins, which we're going to talk about in this portfolio. So basically, you know, they have a lot of Bitcoin, and they have a very, very low float. So if we take a look over here to Yahoo Finance, we can see that one of the reasons why this stock is ripping so high is they have a very, very low float. So as you can see, the float is only 5 million shares. So 10 million shares total outstanding. But almost 5 million of those shares are basically, you know, basically held by hodlers, which means that there's really not enough shares to go around. So 5 million shares available and a lot of demand. So obviously that's one of the reasons why this stock is pumping so high. So if we go back to the presentation, we can see they generated about 1.2 million in revenue. That was mostly from staking these cryptocurrencies, which we're going to talk about a little bit later. So one of the nice things is that basically this company is very, very low market cap, very, very low float. So they talk about the increased digitization of assets. But what I really want to talk about is I really want to talk about their crypto portfolio because it's very interesting, okay? So we could just go down here. Here we go. So here's the digital assets. These guys are crushing it. So we take a look at their portfolio. They're holding 8,000 Ethereum, 90 Bitcoin, 8,000 Polkadot, almost 5,000 Solana, 250,000 Cardano, 3,000 Cosmos, 24,000 Tezos, 2,000 Avalanche, 374 Kusama, 3,500 Luna, 67,000 Matic, and 50,000 Algorand, guys. You can take a look at the growth of their crypto portfolio. It's absolutely skyrocketed. So they've basically been growing it quarter over quarter. Other than, you know, early in, I would say at the end of 2019, their crypto portfolio has grown month over month. So that's really interesting to see, guys. And the reason they're doing this is simply they're staking a lot of these coins. Okay, they did do a capital raise at around $8, I believe, to generate a lot of the funds for this portfolio growth. So as we can see here, in 2021, they raised $15.9 million at $8.20 per share. So I think just looking at $8.20 per share, I think that's a pretty safe floor for this. And like I said, the stock's already busted past that level pre-market. So obviously that's a nice resistance level. And now it looks like it's turning to support. We don't really know where this stock is going to move today, but usually when stocks are this strong in pre-market, like I said, most people aren't trading on pre-market, especially on Robinhood and stuff like that. Probably going to see some huge moves. So now this is my portfolio. So one of the things I wanted to do this year is I wanted to be super transparent with you guys. When I make a trade, I'm going to show you guys the exact screenshot of the trade, my entry, and I'm going to show you guys my exit. So I got in on January 12th. I got 200 shares at around $5.80. So I'm doing pretty well. Like I said, the biggest reason why I wanted to get into this company is not only because of its portfolio and things like that, but because they are going to revolutionize a concept, something called a dividend. So a dividend, what the heck is a dividend, guys? Well, a dividend is a dividend payable in Bitcoin. So this company, what they've done is they simply come up with a new concept, and instead of paying a cash dividend or just cash dividend to shareholders, they're paying a Bitcoin dividend. So what is a Bitcoin dividend, guys? Well, Bitcoin dividend is literally you can get Bitcoin paid to your digital wallet. So it says a dividend is a dividend payable to BTCS shareholders of record at their election of Bitcoin, and they're going to pay 5 cents to shareholders on the ex-dividend date of March 16, 2022. So 5 cents per share. So if we take a look, guys, I have 200 shares, so I'm going to receive, a $10 dividend. Now, I really probably won't receive the actual Bitcoin dividend because in order to do that, you're going to have to move your shares around. So that means you're going to have to actually transfer your shares from, if you guys are using whatever, Fidelity, Robinhood, Webull, whatever you guys are using, you have to actually transfer your shares out. So for some of you guys out there that are basically, I know a lot of you guys out there have 60, 70, 80, 90% of your net worth in crypto. If you guys want to hop in on this dividend, this is a very young company with a very, very small market cap. This company could 5 or 10x this year. I'm really bullish on crypto. They have a really diversified portfolio with 90 Bitcoin, which is phenomenal. And then they have a lot of these proof of stake coins as well. So I expect Bitcoin to hit 100K this year, and then I expect a lot of those cheaper coins to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x as well. So I think there's a lot of growth for this company. It'd be interesting if this is a regular dividend, because right now it's just we don't know if it's a quarterly dividend, but I want to get this dividend. I want to be a part of this history, and the fact that this company is so cheap with such a small market cap, I figure the risk reward ratio is pretty attractive here. So you can actually learn more about this. You go to the website, Btcs.com. I'm going to put the link into the description. Basically, all you have to do is transfer your shares over to the transfer agent, and then you can place your Bitcoin address, and they'll actually send you Bitcoin, guys. This is really awesome. Now, for me personally, I have so much Bitcoin. $10 in Bitcoin really won't be life-changing for me. I'll probably just leave my shares in Fidelity and receive the cash dividend. Or another alternative, guys, if you don't want to move your shares out of your brokerage account, like transfer them to their transfer agent, what you can actually do is just receive the dividend in cash, and then you can just go to Coinbase and buy the crypto yourself. So the only thing you'll pay is you'll pay a small transaction fee. So that's an alternative if you guys are looking to basically get that Bitcoin dividend, but you don't actually want to transfer your shares to equity stock transfer agent. But like I said, guys, let's talk a little bit more about where I think the stock is headed in particular today. So as we can see here, it's absolutely mooning, guys. It's going through the roof. Now it's up 36%. Wow. We might hit $10 before I wrap this video up, guys. So I really want to get this, guys, published, because I really think this stock is going to take off. I'm seeing something very similar to DWAC. This reminds me of DWAC, with these low float stocks that get a lot of hype and they start soaring to the moon, guys. So like I said, we'll see. There's a potential that a lot of people could take profits here in the pre-market, or we could see a dip back down. So let's take a look at that chart. So as you can see here, we're taking a look here at this chart. What's basically been going on? Well, the company, I was reading a lot of articles and saw an interview of the CEO. Basically, they did this dividend to basically get more attention for the company, because basically Wall Street was valuing the company at basically its net crypto assets. So this, obviously, they announced this on when the stock was $3, and now it's already tripled since that announcement. So now it's headed much higher. It looks like it's going to go past $10. And as you can see here, the stock was about $28. Okay, so as you can see here, the stock was as high as $28 at the beginning of 2021, and it's really sold off. So I think we're definitely going to break past this resistance level here of like $8.50. This was basically achieved when crypto was in a really kind of bearish period. Then we had a bullish pump for Bitcoin, and the company still basically topped out at around $8.40. But now there's all this publicity behind it, and now they're paying a cash dividend. So now one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on this company is that dividends basically force investors to hodl. So one of the reasons why dividend stocks are less volatile is because when we're buying these stocks like Tesla and Amazon and Roku, Lucid Air, all of these non-dividend paying stocks, they can go up really high, but then they can crash. And they're simply because there's no dividend, right? So a lot of people are trading these stocks, trying to buy it low, dump it higher. That's what we've kind of seen with Lucid. I mean, that thing is literally, I've seen it go as low as like $30 and then as high as $40 in the same trading day. But dividend stocks are different, okay? When companies pay dividends, it encourages hodling, because, right, you have to keep the stock to get the dividend. So this I think, is a fantastic move for this company. It's going to create a lot of hodlers with this stock, meaning that people are going to buy the stock and not necessarily dump it. They're going to hold on to it to get that cash dividend, and that I think can really help. I think that can really help this stock move a lot higher. So like I said, guys, the previous resistance levels, as I said here, were about $8.30, and then now previous before that was $13 and then $18. So like I said, guys, hold our hats. We'll see what happens with this stock. I'm really not sure exactly where it's good to move, but I'm in at a good entry point. I probably should have bought more when I first initially entered, but I'm under $6, so I'm more than happy, guys. Like I said, you don't have to get in at the exact bottom. You don't have to buy these stocks at $3 at the bottom. Just get in when you're at a confident position. Don't risk too much money and get the meat of the trade. So if you guys want to receive the dividend, fine. Just hodl your shares. The dividend will be paid in March. But if you guys are looking to trade this, I think there's still time to get in. We're going to probably see a really big move. We could retest these levels. I mean, like I said, as long as you're getting the meat of the trade, you don't have to get the entire lion's share. And even if you're just getting 20, 10, 20, 30%. That's excellent returns. Remember, with the S&P 500, you wait an entire year, you get 27%. So if you're trading any of these stocks that are low float, high movers, and you're getting more than 27%, you're winning because you're still going to outperform the S&P 500 for all those people that just dump their money in a boring index fund. So that's about it, guys. I'm about to wrap this video up. I think I covered everything on this stock. I'm going to have to probably publish more. Like I said, guys, make sure you check out my Twitter, okay? I try to update my Twitter as much as possible. I'm going to be posting a little bit less on this channel, so that means less videos but more longer in-depth videos. Hopefully that will help me avoid burnout, and I'll be able to give you guys more quality, because last year I was trying to do like a lot of videos and a lot of them probably were lackluster. So now I'm trying to do fewer videos but higher quality videos and really help you guys make some money, because last year was insane for trading. The whole GameStop AMC thing, for you guys that followed me, last year we got in an AMC at $6 and we were able to dump at 50 or 60. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm here to basically be transparent, share you guys some of my trades, and help you guys make money, because with more of this kind of whole this whole pandemic thing spreading around, I think you're going to see a lot of activity on the trading apps, right? There's going to be a lot of volatility because people are going to be at home and they don't have anything to do. So they're obviously not going to watch Netflix all day. There's going to be a lot of trading. So volatility is good. Like I said, be careful. Don't invest too much money. Always try to avoid buying hype. Make sure that when you're trading and stuff like that, you're doing it calmly. Like me personally, I put a tiny percentage of my portfolio, okay? I didn't go all in or anything like that. I should have gone all in probably. I would have made a lot more money. But, if you go all in and the trade goes against you, you wipe your account out. So I never like to trade with more than 5% of my account. In this particular trade, it's well below 5% of my account. That's just what I'm comfortable with, guys. I'm not trying to just blow up my account. I'm trying to make money and steadily grow my account over time. So I'm in this for the next 5 to 10 years. I'm not in this for the next 5 to 10 months. So I hope this video, guys, has helped. We're really sorry in pre-market. I want to get this video out, guys, because the price is absolutely mooning right now. So if you guys enjoyed my content, please smash the red subscribe button or see more videos from me. So that's it. Until next time, guys, take care.